This 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 30G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 34 feet 11 inches in length and features a silver maple interior, Sleep 7, TV antenna, awning, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, stove top burner, skylight, leveling jacks, water heater, oven, refrigerator, and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 30G is 9,139 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.